Hello everyone, are you tired of that burning sensation creeping up from your stomach? Feeling like a fire-breathing dragon more often than you'd like? I bet you're eager to know how to get rid of heartburn, and guess what? Today, we'll dive into some tried and tested ways to do just that. So let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Now, I know the struggle is real. That burning feeling can be downright pesky, right? But what if I told you, you have a secret weapon to combat heartburn? And no, it's not some magical elixir. It's something way more straightforward. Your diet. Researchers from a study published in the American Journal of Gastroenterology back in 2006 found out that high dietary fiber intake can lower the risk of heartburn. Isn't that something? So, pack in more fruits, veggies, and whole grains in your diet. How about starting your day with a fiber-rich oatmeal breakfast? And hey, don't forget to drink plenty of water. You know how you feel after a good workout, right? All pumped up and energetic? But what if exercise could also help with your heartburn? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, a team of scientists in a 2009 study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that regular physical activity can significantly reduce symptoms of heartburn. So, why not include a brisk 30-minute walk in your daily routine? You'll not only feel better, but say bye-bye to those heartburn episodes too. Did you know that simple home remedies could be your allies in fighting heartburn? Now, let's take a journey to your kitchen. Got any apples or bananas lying around? Well, they aren't just great for a quick snack. According to a research review in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences in 2017, these fruits may help combat heartburn due to their natural antacids. And wait, there's more. Your humble baking soda can come to the rescue too. You see, baking soda is a base, and heartburn happens due to excess acid. So, it makes sense, right? Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink up. You'll feel relief in no time. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Alright, back to our heartburn combat tactics. You've probably heard of aloe vera's soothing properties for skin, right? But did you know it could soothe your insides too? An interesting study published in the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine back in 2015 suggested that aloe vera juice may help reduce heartburn symptoms. A cool glass of aloe vera juice, anyone? Just remember, moderation is key. Okay, let's talk about bedtime. Picture this, you're comfortably snuggled in your bed, but suddenly that pesky heartburn strikes again. Not a nice picture, huh? Guess what? It might be how you're sleeping. Researchers in a study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology back in 2005 found that sleeping in an inclined position can help lessen heartburn symptoms. So, why not raise the head of your bed a bit or use an extra pillow? Simple, right? Now, I've saved an essential tip for the last. Take a wild guess. Yes, it's about maintaining a healthy body weight. A massive study from the Archives of Internal Medicine in 2006 found that weight loss can help in reducing heartburn symptoms significantly. So, if you've been thinking of losing some pounds, now is the perfect time. Remember, your journey with heartburn is unique, so always consult with your healthcare provider before making any drastic changes. So there you have it, folks. A roadmap on how to get rid of heartburn from your life for good. Start small, make one change at a time, and before you know it, you'll be waving heartburn goodbye. Remember, knowledge is only powerful when shared, so don't forget to share this video, subscribe, and comment on how these tips have worked for you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep that fire in your belly under control.